The 2015 drought produced by El Niño, the warm phase of the El Niño Southern Oscillation (ENSO), which registers Earth's climate fluctuations as measured by sea surface temperatures, has killed 65% more trees and large branches in the Amazon rainforest than are typically lost in an average year. The conclusion comes from an in-depth analysis by scientists at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, and the Brazilian Agricultural Research Corporation, EMBRAPA, who published their findings in a study featured in the journal New Phytologist. According to NASA, the research was based on an innovative technique of measuring the living trees and dead debris on the ground of the rainforest, which yielded a 3D model of the Amazon's forests. While such measurements are normally made on foot by scientists trekking a portion of the rainforest, the team came up with the brilliant idea to attach a light detection and ranging (LiDAR) instrument onto an airplane and survey the forest canopy from up above. The data was gathered on 3 separate flights in 2013, 2014 and 2016 and led to a 3D reconstruction of the Amazon rainforest.